As a non-owner admin, as a normal member of your workspace, there's really three tabs in your settings that are of value to you. The first is My Account, your basic information, your first name, your last name, etc., time zone, and the ability to delete your account. Please don't delete your account. Talk to us first. Once you delete your account, all of the data associated with your account is going to be deleted and cannot be undone. It'll wipe from your database. So please, please, please be careful with that. The next is your recording settings. Now, this is very important. This dictates what meetings will be recorded and what meetings will not be recorded. That being said, you can always invite our bot or turn on the Zoom native recording during the meeting in case it does not represent what you want for an individual meeting. But as a default, we've tried to position these to be very clear for you. So we have all the meetings that you host versus all the meetings that you're invited to but do not host. And then within each of that, you can select internal meetings and external meetings. We've also given you our recommendations for each of these settings. Feel free to email us if you have any questions about this. External meetings are defined as any meeting where somebody that was invited has a domain, an email domain that does not match your email domain. That's an external meeting. Internal meeting is where all the invitees have the same email domain, and that email domain matches your email domain. The third relevant setting for individual contributors and regular members of each workspace is the notifications. And so here you can set your notifications so that you're sent an email with the recap of each meeting after each meeting is done. We highly recommend that. Our users get a lot of value about the emails being sent directly to them with the recap so that they don't have to go into the platform if they're busy or if they're on the go. We can also set for a recap to be sent to all of the meeting invitees who are part of your workspace. They are UpdateAI users. They're on your team. Separately, we could send the meeting recap just to everybody that is invited to the meeting. The last more important notification is if you want to receive daily meeting cheat sheets. And effectively what these are is they look like this. They're sent out the evening before and they show all of your upcoming external meetings. So your meetings with customers. And then for each meeting, we have a breakdown of the last time that you spoke to that customer account. What was the overall summary of that conversation that you had with them to help you prep before the meeting upcoming tomorrow?